Hi friends! Need to convert any picture file to JPG quickly and easily? Here's a simple website that can do it in just a few clicks. The website is called iLoveIMG. First, open your browser and go to the iLoveIMG website. On the homepage, find the tool called Convert to JPG and click on it. Now upload the picture you want to convert. It can be a file like PNG, WebMG, GIF, HEIC, AVIF, or another supported image format. Once your image is uploaded, click the Convert to JPG button. The website will process your file in just a few seconds.